Hey, I'm Dr. Allo. So today we're going to do the protein cereal shootout. Today I have two cereals, common protein cereals, Magic Spoon on one side and Premier Protein on the other side. Now both of them, the serving size is 1 cup or 42 grams. Premier Protein says 14 grams of protein per cup, while Magic Spoon has 13. Now just looking at the labels, Magic Spoon's 140 calories for that 1 cup, while Premier Protein is 180. Now the reason for Premier Protein is they do use more like flours and sugars, where this is all basically 0-calorie sweeteners. I do like both of them. Both of them serve a purpose. Magic Spoon comes in multiple flavors. This is the frosted flavor. There's vanilla, blueberry, chocolate like cocoa, fruity, peanut butter. There's all different kinds of flavors. The thing that Magic Spoon tries to do is replicate kid cereals. Like the cinnamon, for example, you can mix it with Cinnamon Toast Crunch and your kids would never be able to tell the difference. The cocoa one, same thing with Cocoa Puffs, the chocolate one. Vanilla, same thing. Sometimes you can mix them with cornflakes even, like the vanilla or the frosted one. That's the thing about it. It's a little bit weird because all of the little pieces, no matter what the flavor is, all look the same. And it's just slightly flavored differently. They all do taste about the same. The protein that's used in this one is a milk protein blend, which is casein and whey. And then the protein in Premier Protein is a wheat protein isolate, pea protein, and that's kind of the main proteins in that one. And I mean, both are different. The Premier Protein doesn't come in any other flavor other than this. It has slivered almonds in it and dehydrated strawberries, or maybe it's raspberries, mixed berries. But it's very good. It tastes more like an adult cereal. I feel like the difference between the two, this one is way sweeter. Magic Spoon tastes way sweeter, contains a lot of artificial sweeteners. They're not bad for you. It's just too sweet for me. Now I have eaten it and I've bought every flavor and I do enjoy it. I mix it with the other cereals. Like if you have Raisin Bran and you want to throw in something to make it more protein, or Cocoa Puffs or Cinnamon Toast Crunch, whatever you want your kids to get more protein, you can throw in the cinnamon one into your Cinnamon Toast Crunch and your kids are suddenly getting protein and they have no idea. I've done that and they literally have no clue. Premier Protein kind of tastes like a Special K, and it almost is packaged like a Special K. Similar colors, similar packaging. It's not as sweet. It tastes more like what an adult type of cereal would taste like. It's kind of like a cornflakes that's just slightly sweetened. Both of them, it's a little bit hard to kind of get used to the flavor right away. So you're not going to just like jump into these and be like, oh, wow, these are amazing. It might take a little bit of time to get used to it. But overall, I like both of them. Obviously, there's a little bit more protein with the Premier Protein one. Magic Spoon is 13 grams. The Premier Protein is 20 grams. Magic Spoon is saying there's only 1 gram net carbs. I believe that's what's on their packaging. I'm sorry, 4 grams net carbs. If you believe in net carbs, they're taking out the fiber. That used to be a thing back when people were trying to keep carbs low and whatnot, but obviously the research now shows that calories are calories. If you're eating 140 calories or 180 calories, and whether it's carbs or fiber or protein or fat, whatever it is calories. So it really makes no difference. I don't know if you're watching for that, but if you're into these like low carb diets, you may be concerned about that. But either way, both cereals taste good. They take a little bit of time getting used to, but I think you'll like both of them. Definitely if you want more protein per cup, grab the Premier. If you like more sweeter, more variety of flavors, then obviously grab Magic Spoon. And like I said, you can mix it with other stuff. The Premier Protein, because it's a little more bland, you can mix in a lot of things with it. You can sprinkle it on top of like Faye 0% yogurt and get tons of protein. You can add Splenda to it, whipped cream, chop up fresh berries and put it in there. There's all kinds of things you can do with these, and I recommend both. If I had to pick one to eat for the rest of my life, I would probably pick the Premier Protein. I don't like how sweet the other one tastes, but because it's a little blander and not as sweet, you can kind of mix it with a lot of things and do a lot more with it. So I would pick the Premier if I had to pick one. That's about all I got for you. I got a lot of free stuff for you. Click on the links below. and grab some of my free resources, and I'll see you in the next video.